This back. I'm check here. Yeah? I'm sorry.
8 kilogram, bro.
Scratch.
Yeah.
Good guys, for me, bro.
5 minutes. Hello guys, my name is Oleg. Welcome to my channel. Whoa! My name in the video is Tarasik. On this channel I will shoot sports, pranks, reaction for you. In this video I pretended to be a repairman. I think you will like it, so put like, subscribe, I write comment. Enjoy your viewing. So guys, let's go! It's okay. Oh, crazy. Tack. Okay. Oh, it's cool. It's cool. Wow. Sorry, brother. I can check here. Okay. 5 minutes. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I can check here. Squat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. I'm sorry. This your bar?
Yes, bro, it's fine. Do you want to do something? Some exercise?
No. I'm check here. It's cool. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
My name is Tarasik. I can check here. Okay.
Use this one.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Just a second, brother. Today shoulders.
Yes.
That's a big weight.
Yes. Okay, let's see.
Okay. Yes. Whoa. I'm repairman.
Repairman.
Yeah.
No problem.
Oh. It's heavyweight. Oh, it's heavyweight. Oh. I'm sorry. Biceps big, bro. 40 centimeters? No. Your chemistry? I wanna with you squat.
You want to?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I'm check here. Now clean. Okay. This big weight. Yeah?
Great, bro.
It's. I'm check. It's okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah. It's good. Okay. This back.
Crazy.
Yeah, for the back.
You want to try?
Yeah. It's heavy weight. No ball. Okay.
What are you doing, bro?
5 minutes. Okay. Sorry. Oh, your big biceps, man. I want big biceps.
Then do it for this one.
How kilograms? Oh.
That's a lot of weight.
Oh. I want check dumbbell weight. I'm 2 year repairman. I'm check. I want number 1 repairman.
You will get.
Yeah.
No, that's good, guys. It's for me, bro. I'm professional.
Just a second.
Now it's clean, yeah?
Today biceps.
Yeah, today I'm doing biceps.
Biceps. Wow. Okay. Oh. Eh. Okay. Oh. Heavy weight. I'm sorry. Oh. I can Tarasik. Oh, it's good. Sorry. Hello, my friend. Yeah. Just I check gym. Goodbye. Bye. I love you. Yeah.
But take this weight.
Yeah.
A lot of weight.
Just a second. Yeah. Big weight. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. This is for back.
To scratch.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yo, protein, eat.
No, I'm not eating.
No protein?
Just natural. Having
No. Yo, eat eggs, meat.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Oh. 50? Oh.
Heavy.
I'm check. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
It's okay. Nice to meet you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
So you wanna try?
I'm checking dumbbell weight.
No, bro, it's too heavy, too much.
Don't break your back.
No. Just I check. Oh, I'm check. Okay, brother. Just a second. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Yeah. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, brother. Okay.
You can look great. It's impressive.
It's
No,
fake?
it's not fake. It's real.
These dumbbells, it's okay. I'm sorry. My name is Tarasik. Nice to meet you. My name is Tarasik.
Hi, Tarasik.
Tarasik.
Nice to meet you.
My phone 8811. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.